Hello everyone, welcome to this quick walkthrough in Salesforce integrations. Today we'll be integrating Salesforce with Slack, Gmail and Outlook. To start off with Slack, there are three main steps in integrating your org and your Slack workspace. Step 1 is to authorize your Salesforce org to access Slack workspaces. Step 2 is to download the relevant apps in the Slack app directory. Step 3 is to connect your org and your Slack workspace. To start off, in your setup page, in the quick find box, enter Slack. The Slack app setup is a list of permissions that are required for authorization. First, you can review the documentation and resources and agree to the terms and conditions. You can enable the Slack apps that users can have access to, and once that is done, you can pick the checkbox. There are special permissions that users need to access Salesforce Slack apps, and that can be done here. There are also permissions required for users to be able to view and edit records in Slack. There are different options available and previews are shown as well. You can install, these are the links to install the relevant apps in your Slack app directory. Some apps require further customizations and that can be done here. This is also to give access to required fields so that users can view and edit records within Slack itself. Once that is done, in your Slack workspace, step 2 can be done, where you can download your relevant Salesforce Slack applications here. I have already downloaded the Sales Cloud and the Salesforce app as well. Step 3 would to connect your account. It would show up a web page asking for permission to access your Slack workspace. When you click allow, it either shows you a sign-in portal, or if your org is open, it connects automatically. I'll open this link in the browser itself. Now your Salesforce org and your Slack workspace is connected. You now access records or share records to channels or direct messages. So /Salesforce gives you a list of actions that you can do. For now, I'll just find and share a record. I'll search the Edge Communications account. Here it is. I'll be able to view the record. Looks good, and I'll share it. You can either select a channel or directly message this record to a user. Click share and done. And there you have it. That's how you can integrate Salesforce and Slack to be able to access records within Slack itself. Thank you.